In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your WordPress website, domain, and email to Hostinger without any hassle. Whether you're transferring your site for better hosting performance or simply seeking a change in your provider, this guide will comfortably lead you through the entire process in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by directing our attention to Hostinger. Make sure you're logged in. Start by clicking directly on the Websites option found on your Hostinger dashboard. This is your gateway to accessing various tools and settings related to website management. Once you're on the websites page, your next step is to locate and click on Migrations. This tab is integral as it's specifically designed to assist you when transferring websites from one host to another. Once you've navigated to the migration section, you'll need to select Migrate Website. This action will prompt Hostinger to bring up a series of prompts to help guide you through the migration itself. If you're migrating a WordPress site, take note that you'll have an additional option here. You'll want to click on Upload Backup Files, which is a straightforward input area for you to begin transferring your website's backup data into the new hosting environment. Next, go ahead and click on Upload. This begins transferring your backup files, ensuring all your data is correctly moved to Hostinger servers. It might take a moment depending on your file size, so be patient. Once you've completed the upload, confirm your readiness by selecting I'm uploaded everything. This tells Hostinger to proceed with handling the files you've provided. With the upload complete, you'll then want to click on Submit Request. This will set Hostinger to process your migration, effectively finalizing the technical handover of your website. In situations where your files are stored in cPanel, you'll need to click on Use Login Details. Doing so will allow you to enter essential information related to your current hosting arrangement. Type in your website domain and proceed by clicking Next. You'll be prompted to choose cPanel from the available hosting types, which further aids Hostinger tailoring the migration to your needs. Now, it's important to complete all necessary login information. Ensure every detail is accurate to avoid complications later in the process. Once every detail is in place, click Next to move forward. Finally, with everything set, you'll conclude by clicking Submit Request once more, found in the bottom right corner. This last action submits your entire migration request, officially kicking off the automation of your website, domain, and emails to Hostinger's hosting environment. By following these steps, your migration process should be smooth and straightforward, positioning your WordPress endeavors in a new digital home without hiccups. Happy migrating!